Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, this is a shape and you have to find the angle of A. This is angle A. And A, B, C, this is D and E. We have to find an angle of this. Okay, for this you have to do, first of all, draw a line from this point. This line is PQ. This is PQ. Now use your mind and find the answer of A. For this is, you can see that AEQ. AEQ plus 142 degree is equal to 180 degree because internal angles are equal to 180. Internal angle of this is PQ parallel to AB. Okay, this is the reason. Now you can say that AEQ is equal to 180 degree negative 142, and you have the answer of this is 38 degree. This is 38 degree. This is 1. Similarly, CEQ plus 114 degree is equal to 180 degree because internal angles are equal to 180, and this is PQ is parallel to CD. Okay, now from this 180 degree negative 114 degree is equal to 66 degree. Now this is 2. Now find the answer of A degree A and angle A. So this is A equal to AEQ plus CEQ, that is 38 degree plus 66 degree. Your answer is 104 degree. 104 degree is the answer of this. This is 104 degree angle. Hope so you got the idea. If you still have any problem, you can comment under the video. This is the way you can find the angles.